What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Just Cook with Dustin. Today I'm going to be showing you how I take my leftover Christmas prime rib and turn it into the best prime rib potatoes hash. We've got potatoes, bacon, onion, and some spinach for the side. We're going to get this all sauteed up and I'll show you how I do it right now. First we're going to put in the bacon, and the fat that's going to render out of the bacon is going to help us cook these potatoes. And we're going to let this cook on medium-high heat for about 15 minutes. After getting everything evenly distributed in the pan, we're going to gather everything to the center and let it set so that the starches in the potatoes can turn a golden brown and the bacon can begin to crisp. Every 3 to 4 minutes, we're going to toss this in the pan so that it gets evenly distributed and evenly colored throughout the dish. Once everything is fully cooked and the potatoes are no longer crunchy, we're going to add the onions in and saute those for 2 to 3 minutes until they become translucent. And then we will add up our prime rib. The prime rib I have chopped roughly, and we will add that to the pan. The fat from the prime rib is going to also render out some more fat, allowing those potatoes and onions to cook not only in bacon fat, but prime rib fat. It is delicious. We're going to take this and put it in the pan, continue to toss it around every 3 to 4 minutes, making sure that we get an even coloring and browning on all bits and pieces. You can see after I've tossed and turned the prime rib hash, I continue to gather to the center. I allow it to sit for 3 to 4 minutes to get those crispy edges. After all, that's what makes prime rib hash. Prime rib hash is all those crispy bits that are mixed in with the potatoes, bacon, onion, and prime rib. After letting it cook for 14-15 minutes, we've reached maximum crunchiness. The best part of a prime rib hash is getting everything nice golden brown and having those crunchy bits. We're going to plate this up and then begin to fry some sunny side up eggs and a side of spinach. I love sauteing spinach this way because it actually helps to deglaze the pan. Any of those crispy bits or pieces of bacon or prime rib or potato that are still in the pan, as the moisture comes out of the spinach, it's going to deglaze it, giving you a delicious side of spinach to go with your prime rib hash and sunny side up eggs. When I stopped using non-stick pans and switched to cast iron, I gotta tell you, I was hesitant at first. One of the things I was afraid of was eggs were gonna stick to that rough surface of the cast iron. But as you can see, it is no problem. These eggs are sliding around perfectly fine in this cast iron, and they cook perfectly. I love a sunny side up eggs with my prime rib hash, as the yolk just goes through all of that prime rib hash and acts like a delicious sauce that's just covering everything. So there you have it, my favorite way to use up that leftover Christmas prime rib to make a delicious prime rib hash for breakfast. I hope you guys like this video and will give this recipe a try. And if you've got prime rib sitting around after the holidays, now you know what to do with it. Looking forward to catching up with you guys next week. Take care. We'll see you soon.